Welcome to Webstyle Press. Okay, Llama 3 was just released by Meta. You can download Llama 3 and use it right now. If you go to llama.meta.com/llama3, you can access it in many ways. It's available in 8B and 70B, pre-trained and instruction-tuned versions, and supports a wide range of applications. You can experience Llama 3 on Meta AI right now. Click this link, experience Llama 3 on Meta AI. It will open Meta.ai website. It's using Llama 3 right now, and I have tested it in different ways and I was pretty impressed. It can code as well. It's fast and its responses are quick and intelligent. It can quickly browse internet to search relevant informations as well. So if you go back to main website again and scroll down, you get link to download Llama 3 or this button, download models. Furthermore, here are benchmarks. Its 8 billion parameters model beats Gemma and Mistral, and its 70 billion model beats Gemini Pro and Claude 3. This is very impressive. It's catching up real fast. Okay, to download it, click on download models link. You can provide the information here, and from the options below, select Meta Llama 3 and click continue to download it. You can use Llama 3 on Meta AI as I mentioned before. You can even use 70 billion model from Hugging Face chat website. Go to huggingface.co/chat and from settings, select Meta Llama 3 70B instruct and then click active model button. And you will be able to use Meta Llama 3 70 billion instruct model. It's a huge deal. You cannot use 70 billion model on a regular PC because it needs a lot of resources and GPU, but you can use it here online. If you go to Meta Llama docs and getting the models section, they mentioned it's available on Meta, Hugging Face and Kaggle. Click on Kaggle, follow this link. On Kaggle, scroll down and find Llama 3. Click on it. Here you'll have to submit a request to access it. Its variants are available on Hugging Face as well, Meta Llama 3 8B. You can train it, deploy it on several resources. And here Meta Llama 3 8B instruct. There are several deployment options available. Also, you can go to Perplexity AI website, labs.perplexity.ai to use the model from drop-down. Select Llama 3 8B instruct or Llama 3 70B instruct. Also, if you use Ollama, you can use it as well. Go to ollama.com website, download it, go to its models, and here, Llama 3, updated 3 hours ago. Click on it, and here's the command. Ollama run Llama 3. It's 8 billion model that a decent PC can run. Run Ollama app, run PowerShell, use this command, Ollama run Llama 3, and it will start to download. Then you will be able to use Ollama 3 on your PC. With Ollama app, this is the command line interface. If you don't like it, you can download Ollama UI Chrome extension. Then run it from here and select available models. When this download will be completed, it will be available here and you will be able to use it by using this web UI. To use it, Ollama app should be running in background to make it work. Okay, so this is how you can download Llama 3 in your PC to use it or use it online on several resources that I have provided in video description. So check those out. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.